Today I am going to give you tips on ethics and the workplace. First, I wanted to look up ethics in the Merriam-Webster dictionary. Ethics is defined as the dealing with what is good and bad, and with moral duty and obligation. Now that you know the meaning of ethics, let's go into what not to do in the workplace. Today it's very easy to update your statuses of your Facebook and Twitter social networks. Recently in the news there was a Marine who had served in the military for 9 years, and he updated his Facebook status to Obama is the economic enemy, he is the religious enemy, he is fundamentally change America enemy, he is the domestic enemy. That post was taken down by another Marine 5 minutes later, but not before somebody took a screenshot of his post and reported it to higher authority in the military. The Marine was ultimately dismissed dishonorably. This is a good example that covers all my ethic tips that I am going to cover. First off, you need to be smart as to what you post on Facebook and Twitter. Let's say you had a bad day at work and go home and post on Facebook that you are going to make your boss's life a living nightmare, and that you do not like him. If somebody from where you work sees that, just like in the example above where the Marine gets a dishonorable dismissal, you could get in trouble also. My next tip would be use your privacy settings on Facebook and Twitter so not everybody can see your post, only the people that you want. My final tip would be do not post something that you do not want others to see.